Recording right now.
Let me get a water tank.
Hey, put your out of the toilet.
Hey Blaine, Livy is about to eat a Play-doh cookie.
Lauren, you gotta close the toilet.
Do you think she's gonna do it?
Yeah.
Should we put it on YouTube? Okay, give me a high five. Yeah. Uh-oh, Mom's mad. There's Play-doh in the living room. You better go. So Livy just came back. She made these Play-doh cookies. Hold on. Look at that deliciousness. And she is going to do the Play-doh cookie challenge.
Ready?
What flavor did you make?
Strawberry.
Why don't you get closer to the camera?
Well, I need the trash can.
Okay.
Ready? Counting on to go.
Go.
Oh.
What's the matter?
That wasn't good.
You made them. Oh man. You better not spit. Everybody, she did not pass the Play-doh cookie challenge.